Now we are discussing limits and continuity chapter. In IPA, 2 VSQs will come, 1 SAQ will come. Sometimes from limits also they will ask SAQ. First question. Find limit x tends to 0 under root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. So if you substitute x in the place, what will be? Root 1 minus 1 by 0. 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 by 0 is 0 by anything is 0. Something by 0 is undefined. But 0 by 0 means we can't decide it is 0, it is infinity. In these situations we have to apply the formulas. So whenever root is coming, we have to do rationalization. Generally we will do rationalization for the denominator, but here I am doing rationalization for the numerator. Rationalization conjugate is what? Minus means plus. We have to multiply and divide with under root of 1 plus x plus 1 by under root of 1 plus x plus 1. Numerator looking like it is a minus b, a plus b. So a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square, square root cancel for 1 plus x, 1 square answer is 1. And 1 gets cancelled. Next x by under root as it is. Again x gets cancelled. So wherever x is there you have to put 0. So 1 by 1 plus 0 value is 1. Root 1 value is 1. 1 plus 1 answer is 2. So slowly students will write till here root. They will write root 2, but it is not. You have to write only simply 1 by 2. Next, second problem. Limit x tends to 0. 3 power x minus 1 by under root 1 plus x minus 1. Again we have to check x in the place 0 again. 3 power 0. Anything power 0 value is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Root 1 plus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Again we are getting same 0 by 0. So we have to apply some simplifications. Whenever root is coming, do the rationalization. And for the minus, plus is the conjugate. So multiply and divide with under root 1 plus x plus 1 by under root 1 plus x plus 1. So denominator looking like a plus b into a minus b. So square root cancel for a minus a square formula, and 1 square value is 1. So 1 gets cancelled, only x left over. Here I am doing 3 power x minus 1 by x separate, and into 1 plus x plus 1 is separate. Why? Because we have the formula limit x tends to 0. A power x minus 1 by x formula is log a. So it is looking like 3 power x minus 1 means a power x minus 1. I need denominator x now, so I am writing denominator for this. We should not write for both because between into is there. If plus or minus is there means we have to write separate division by x. But for multiplication only one part by x. So now formula application log a in the place 3 na. So log 3 into wherever x is there we have to put 0. So root of 1 plus 0, root 1 answer is 1, 1 plus 1 answer is 2. So 2 we have to write in front of the logarithm, 2 log 3. But students slowly they will write log 3 2 is a 6 they will write. No, it is not 3 2 is a 6. This is 2 for logarithm whole. If you want we can write the power to the 3. Log 9 we can write. But no need, it's enough. Now third question. Limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by under root of 1 plus x minus 1. So again same thing here. Root is came. Rationalization. Minus means plus we have to take under root of 1 plus x plus 1 by under root of 1 plus x plus 1. So denominator again a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So square root cancel, only 1 plus x. 1 square answer is 1. So again here 1 gets cancelled. Again I am taking e power x minus 1 by x is separate. Remaining part separate. Limit x tends to 0 both. So directly e power x minus 1 by x answer is 1 we can write because formula is there. If not, it is looking like a power x na. So a power x minus 1 by x answer is log a, means log e. And remaining x in the place 0. So root 1 plus 0 is 1. Root 1 value is 1. 1 plus 1 answer is 2. So 1 into 2, 2 is answer. Tends to 0. A power x minus 1 by b power x minus 1. Conditions are no need. So here looking like a power x minus 1 by x. But numerator is exactly, but denominator is by x not there na. So that I am divided both numerator and denominator by x. So by x by x. So again it is looking like our formula, and denominator for limit also our formula. For this log a will come and for this log b will come. Log a whole by log b. Single logarithm we can write. Numerator is function, denominator is base. Next, find limit x tends to 0 sine of a plus bx minus sine of a minus bx. So students well remember the formula sin c minus sin d. Otherwise direct also we have sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b also we can go through. But students will remember mostly sin c minus sin d. Formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c plus c minus d by 2. So c plus means as it is by 2. Sin c minus means a plus bx as it is. Minus d means opposite sign na. So this will be minus a. This will be minus into minus plus b. So here bx gets cancelled. What left over? A plus a 2a by 2. Here a gets cancelled. What left over? bx 2bx by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So 2 cos a. Limit x tends to 0. 2 cos a sin bx whole by x. So limit only for x variable. Other than the x, everything is constant. So 2 is constant. Cos a is constant. In front I can write. Then limit x tends to 0. Sin bx by x. So now it is looking like sin nx by x. Answer is n. So instead of n, b is there. So 2 cos a into b. So b is a multiple of total cos table na. So we have to write 2b cos a. Next problem. Find limit x tends to 0 cos ax minus cos bx by x square. This problem again will come in the continuous chapter also, 4 marks. So either it is 2 marks or 4 marks. So it is looking like cos c minus cos d formula. Cos c minus cos d formula is what? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Some people will write d minus c. If you write here d minus c, minus symbol we should not put. So minus 2 as it is, sin c plus d by 2 means sin ax plus bx by 2 sin ax minus bx by 2. So taking x common and 2 is constant, I am writing in front of the limit minus 2. So again here x square I am writing x into x, looking like sin nx by x. So that I am writing 1x to the numerator for this, 1x to the another numerator. So it is looking like sin x by nx by x. Answer is n. So a plus b by 2. Here a minus b by 2. 1 2 gets cancelled. So minus is continuation. A plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square, another 2. So minus we can sign inside now. So first minus will be plus, plus will be minus. Limit x tends to infinity under root x square plus x minus x. So whenever x tends to infinity means we should converting into 1 by x compulsory. But here 1 by x not there. So that I am doing here root means rationalization. Means minus coefficient, minus conjugate is plus. So under root x square plus x by under root x square plus x plus x. So a plus b into a minus b formula na, a square minus b square. So square root cancel for root, and second part is x square as it is. X square also gets cancelled. Only x by left over. So here x by, whenever infinity there, we have to take the common of highest degree. So here highest degree is what? X square. Take in these two x square common. So taking x square common, what left over? Only 1 left over. Next, from the x I have taken x square. One more is lessing na. So you have to write 1 by x. And outside plus x. Root x square answer is plus or minus x. But in this we have to take only plus x. Because limit x tends to infinity. Infinity means positive. He didn't mention negative. So root x square answer is x. Remaining under root 1 plus x by x. Again we can take here and here x common. So x by under root 1 plus x. I have taken x common now. What left over? 1 left over. Again x gets cancelled. So limit x tends to infinity means 1 by x tends to 0. So wherever 1 by x is there, you have to put 0. So instead of 1 by x, I have to put 0. So 1 by root 1 plus 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Root 1 value is again 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. Next problem. Find limit x tends to 90 cos x by x minus 90. It is very important and students will think it is very easy, but in the examination they will do silly mistakes. So wherever x is there, you have to substitute 90. So cos 90 by 90 minus 90. Cos 90 value 0. 0 by 0. We can't decide it is 0 or infinity. So we have to go through trigonometric concept. Because here trigonometry is there. So I am taking denominator total is y. Then what will be x? Remaining I am sending to left side. So x is equals to y plus 90. So we are converting into x to y variable now. So as x tends to 90, what will be y tends to? Y tends to, y is what? X minus 90 na? So y tends to 90 minus 90 is what? 0. So convert everything quotient to y variable. So limit y tends to 0 cos, instead of x, y plus 90 means 90 plus y by denominator total is y. We have trigonometric concept. Quadrants are 0, 90, 180, 270, again 360. So 90 plus means it is 90 after, means second quadrant. All silver tea cups. All students 10th class. So second quadrant means silver, means sine and cosecant positive remaining negative. So cos of 90 plus theta will give you minus, at 90 cos changes to sine, minus sine theta. So this will be what? Minus sine y by y. So looking like formula, limit x tends to 0, sine x by x, answer is 1. So in front minus is the answer is minus 1. Next, important VSQ, it will come either SQ also. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2mx by sine square nx. So denominator we can't do anything, but numerator you see 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sine square theta by 2. How much angle is there in that? Half. So here double angle is given na 2mx. 2mx so half is what? 2 gets cancelled, only mx. So 2 sine square mx by sine square nx. For the sine nx by x formula, I need denominator x na. So here by x is missing. So divided by xx. But it having squares na. So I should divide it by x square. So 2 is constant in front. Limit x tends to 0. Sine square mx by x square. Sine square nx by x square. Square for numerator alag. Square for denominator. So looking like formula, x coefficient is answer na. So for numerator is m square. For denominator answer is n square. Answer. Next, find limit x tends to infinity 11x cube minus 3x plus 4 by 13x cube minus 5x square minus 7. Very easy, students will forget, careful. Limit x tends to given. So whenever x tends to is given, we have to take higher degree common na. So x cube is common for numerator, denominator also higher degree x cube. So taking x cube common, 11 left over, minus 3 as it is. From the x I have taken x cube na. 2 more x is reduced na. So 3 by x square we have tried. Here there is no any single x. So we have tried 4 by x cube. Next same thing denominator 13 5x square. One more x is less na. So you have tried 5 by x and no x na, minus 7 by x cube. X cube gets cancelled. Limit x tends to infinity means 1 by x tends to 0. So whatever left over, again I am writing. So wherever 1 by x is there, you have to put 0. So 3 by x square means 3 into 1 by x square only na. So this part is 0, by x cube part is 0, by x part is 0, by x cube part is 0. Only the answer 11 by 13. Limit x tends to 1 sine x minus 1 by x square minus 1. So again formula we converting into sine nx by x. Means whatever angle is there, denominator should be that angle. So 1 we can write as 1 square na. So it is looking like a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. So x plus 1 into x minus 1. So to get the formula, sine of x minus 1 by x minus 1 together I am taking, because angle should be same. And extra part is side by. So denominator we should write 1 by x plus 1. So looking like formula, x tends to 1 means compulsory formula tends to 0. The angle tends to 0. So 1 I am taking to left side. What will be? X minus 1 tends to 0. So sine x minus 1 by x minus 1. So this answer is 1. So limit x tends to 1. Wherever x is there you have to put 1. So 1 plus 1. Answer to 1 by 2. Limit x tends to 0. Third root of 1 plus x minus third root of 1 minus x by x. Important question for IPE and MSET also. Limit x tends to 0. Here I am adding and subtracting with 1. First I am subtracting, then adding. Why? Because in the starting given plus na minus I am taking. Next given minus na plus I am taking. Next I am doing separate division till here and remaining also. So what will be till here means third root minus 1 by x separate. For this also separate means I am taking minus common here. So minus in front. From the plus I have taken minus means one more minus will come na, like that. 1 we can write as 1 power anything 1. So here third root 1 plus x means 1 plus x power 1 by 3. So 1 I am writing 1 power 1 by 3 only to get same powers. And denominator also I am adding and subtracting with 1. Why? Because to get same part. Next, to get same part, here 1 minus x is there. So for the x I need minus sign na? So this plus sign I am giving to denominator, either numerator or denominator. For denominator I need, so minus I am giving to denominator. This minus symbol will be plus. Next, this part as it is I am writing, just instead of 1 plus x should be tends to 1. So both the side I am adding 1. So what will be 1 plus x tends to 0 plus 1, 0, 1. So as it is. Limit x tends to 0 means 1 minus x also tends to 1 minus 0. No? 1 minus 0 answer is 1. So for this also adding and subtracting with 1. So now it is looking like limit y tends to a, y power n minus a power n by y minus a is equals to formula n into a to the power of n minus 1. Instead of n means power na, instead of power 1 by 3 is there, instead of a 1 is there. So 1 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3 minus 1. So 1 power anything answer is 1, 1 power anything answer is 1. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 answer. Find x tends to a, sine of x minus a tan square x minus a by x square minus a square whole square. So here numerator as it is, denominator a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. For this also square is there, whole square. So I am writing separate square, x plus a whole square, x minus a whole square. So here looking like formula, limit x tends to 0, tan nx by x answer is 1. Nx by x is n. So for the square is there, so this part is I am taking a tan and remaining separate. So limit x tends to a, sine of x minus a, limit x tends to a 1 by x plus a whole square, and remaining part limit x tends to a I am writing x minus a tends to 0. Plus a will come to left side what? Minus, because x tends to compulsory 0 should be. So taking to left side. And this tan x minus a by x minus a for the square whole square I am writing. So this answer is x minus a coefficient 1. So this answer 1. Wherever x is there you have to put a, and wherever x is there you have to put a. A minus a 0, sine 0. A plus a 2a. 2a whole square is 4a square. 1 square answer is 1. 1 means no need to write. So 0 sine 0 value 0. 0 into whatever 0. Next, compute x tends to a, x sin a minus a sin x by x minus a. So as it is writing, here sin c minus sin d formula cannot be possible because coefficient x, coefficient a. So for this I am taking adding and subtracting with a sin a. So first positive given na minus a sin a do. Next minus a given na you do plus a sin a. Don't cancel ma. Here we can take sin a common. So what left over? X and a left over. And from here taking minus a common, sin x, from plus I have taken a minus na, one more minus will come, sin a. So I am doing division for separate. So sin a x minus a by x minus a is as it is, sin x minus sin a by x minus a. So numerator denominator x minus a gets cancelled, only sin a left over, and this is looking like sin c minus sin d formula. Formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So c in the place x, d in the place a. So in front limit extends to a, sin a means constant as it is sin a, and a as it is, 2 is constant, I can write in front. Next x plus a by 2 separate I am writing, sin of x minus a by 2 by denominator separate I am writing. X minus a by 2 means what? 1 by 2 we can write now in front. It is looking like our limit extends to 0 sin nx by x answer is n. So this answer is 1 by 2. And this wherever x is there you have to put a na, cos a plus a by 2 and remaining as it is. So this 2 gets cancelled ma, not angle 2. Outside the angle cancel. A as it is cos 2a by 2. Now angle can be cancelled. So answer is sin a minus a cos a. Very important. Show that limit extends to 2 minus mod of x minus 2 by x minus 2 is equals to minus 1 answer. So limit extends to 2 minus mod of x minus 2 by x minus 2. 2 minus means it is not minus 2 number. Power is there na minus, that is LHL. Left hand limit LHL. So mod definition what you know? Plus or minus x. When it will be plus, if greater than 0 positive, if it is less than 0 negative. So here 2 minus is given now, so it is indication less than 0 only. So mod definition minus of x minus 2 by x minus 2. X minus 2 gets cancelled. What left are? Minus 1. Wherever x is there you have to put 2. There is no x, there is no need to substitute. Answer is minus 1. That is only RHS. Hence proved. Very important question mark. Limit extends to 0 plus 2 mod x by x plus 1 is equals to 3. Again you see here limit extends to 0 plus is given. So mod definition is what? Plus or minus x. 0 plus is given now. Plus means plus x only. So 2x by x remaining as it is. X gets cancelled. Wherever x is there you have to put 0. So here you have to put 0. 2 plus 1 answer is 3. Hence proved. Again here limit extends to infinity. 8 mod x plus 3x by 3 mod x minus 2x. So limit extends to infinity means positive only na. He didn't mention means positive only. So mod x definition simply x. Mod x definition simply x. 8x plus 3x is 11x. 3x minus 2x is x. X gets cancelled. So constant na, that is only answer. Compute limit extends to 0 e power 3 plus x minus e power 3 by x. So we know powers are in addition. We can write bases in the multiplication. So e power 3 e power x minus e power 3 by x. We can take e power 3 constant common, that I can write in front. Then what left over? Only e power x, 1 left over by x. So it is looking like formula limit extends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x. Answer is 1. So e power 3 into 1 is e power 3. Next, important easiest. Limit extends to 0 log 1 plus 5x by x. We have a formula log 1 plus x by x, answer is 1. Means 1 after whatever is there, that should be in the denominator. So 1 after what there? 5x is there. So denominator only x is there. What is missing? 5 missing. So that I am multiplying divided with 5 table. So multiplied by 5 table, divided by 5 table, and x tends here whatever is there, that tends to compulsory 0. So both the side multiplied by 5 table, 5x, 0 5 is 0. So it is exactly no formula. This answer is 1 and outside 5 is continue. 1 5 is a 5. Next, compute limit x tends to 0 e power 3x minus 1 by x. Again looking like the formula e power x minus 1 by x. But e power whatever is there, that should be denominator. So 3x is in a denominator also should be 3. 3 missing na. So again multiply and divided with 3 table and the angle limit also should be same thing. So x tends to 0 means 3 into x 3x tends to 0 into 3 0. So now it is exactly formula. Answer is 1 and extra 3. 3 ones are 3. Again same question is there ma. Example, limit x tends to 0 e power 7x minus 1 by x. So same question na, but here 3 missed, instead of 3 7 is there. So 3 missed means answer 3 came. Here 7 is missed means answer 7 will come. Limit x tends to 2 plus closed bracket of x, that is called step x. Step x plus x, and limit x tends to 2 minus step x plus x value he is asking. So paper partition, first case, second case, limit x tends to 2 plus step x plus x. Step x definition, x or x minus 1 means that number or preceding number. So that number will come when x greater than 0. Preceding when will come? X less than 0 means preceding we have to take. So 2 plus step x value. Plus means greater than 0. Step x answer is simply x. So wherever x is there you have to put 2. So 2 plus 2 answer is 4. But whereas limit x tends to 2 minus, step x answer is 2 minus means less than symbol. So step x answer is x minus 1. So instead of step x, x minus 1 plus x. So wherever x is there you have to put simply 2, not minus 2. Minus indication less than 0. So 2 minus 1 plus 2. So answer is 3. Limit x tends to minus infinity. So I already told whenever infinity is coming we have to take maximum common table degree. So here maximum degree x, denominator maximum degree x square. So numerator take x common, 2 plus 3 by x left out. And denominator x square I am taking common. So 1 minus 1 by x square. So here you see root x square answer plus or minus x. But he given what? Limit x tends to minus indication, minus infinity. So root x square answer is we have to take minus x. So numerator x, denominator x gets cancelled. 2 plus 3 by x under root 1 minus 1 by x square. Limit x tends to infinity means 1 by x tends to how much? 0. So wherever 1 by x is there you have to put 0. So 2 plus 0 by minus is continuation under root 1 minus 0. 2 by minus 1 answer is plus 2. If you don't write minus here you will get plus 2, you will get only 1 mark. Compute limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 by x cube minus 8. Cube is there na, so we try to write 8 also in terms of cube. 8 we can write as 2 cube. Denominator looking like a cube minus b cube formula. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. One more formula is there, but in the situation we have to take this one. So numerator and denominator x minus 2 gets cancelled. So a square means x square, ab means x into 2, b square means 2 square. So wherever x is there you have to put 2. So 2 square, 2 into 2, 2 square. 2 square answer 4, 2 2s are 4, 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. 1 by 12 is answer. Next, compute limit x tends to 2, 1 by x minus 2 minus 4 by x square minus 4. So x square is given now. We try to write in terms of square. 4 we can write as 2 square. Denominator looking like a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. So x plus 2, x minus 2. So do the LCM here. X minus 2, x minus 2. one time we should write another extra x plus 2. So here all the x minus 2 covered. What not covered? X plus 2 is not covered. Na? So x plus 2 into 1, x plus 2. Here everything is covered in the denominator. So no need to multiply, as it is 4. So plus 2 minus 4 answer is minus 2. Then x minus 2 gets cancelled. Wherever x is there we have to put 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. Answer is 1 by 4. Limit extends to infinity under root x plus 1 minus root x. So root is came na, we have to do rationalization. Instead of minus we have to take plus. So numerator looking like formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, square root cancel, square root cancel. So whenever x tends to infinity we have to take the highest degree common. So here x gets cancelled. Denominator highest degree is what? X. So taking x common, 1 plus 1 by x plus root x is separate. Again we can take denominator root x common. So only 1 by, here what left over? 1 plus 1 by x left over, and outside 1 left over. So 1 by root x as it is. So x tends to 0 means x in the 1 by x tends to 0. So instead of here 0, 1 by under root 1 plus 0 plus 1. 0 into whatever? 0. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos mx by 1 minus cos nx. Important, either a sec or vs sec ma. So whenever trigonometry coming, we have to use trigonometry formulas. 1 minus cos theta. In the previous problem we told 2 sin square theta by 2. How much angle is there in that? Half. So 2 sin square mx by 2, 2 sin square nx by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So it is looking like sin nx by x formula. Nx by x means I need x na. So for the square I need x square. So divided by x square for the numerator, for the denominator. So limit x tends to 0, square square, single whole square, square square, single whole square. It is looking like sin nx by x. Answer is n. So m by 2 whole square, and denominator also n means n by 2 whole square. So m square by 2 square answer 4, n square by 2 square answer is 4. 4 gets cancelled. Answer m square by n square. Limit x tends to 3, x minus 3 by under root x square minus 9 is equal 0. We have to show that. So here denominator x square is there. 9 we have to write in terms of square. So 9 we can write 3 square. For the numerator I am doing rationalization. Root x into root x. Answer is simply x na. So wherever x is there you can write root x into root x. So if you think this is x minus 3x, this I can write as root of x minus 3, root of x minus 3. Denominator a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b with root 2. Square root gets cancelled. So wherever x is there you have to put 3. So 3 minus 3 by 3 plus 3. 0 by anything 0. Compute limit x tends to a tan x minus a by x square minus a square. Denominator we can write as a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So x plus a into x minus a. So we have formula tan nx by x. Answer is 1 na. So same angle should be x minus a by x minus a together I am taking, and x plus a I am taking separately. So wherever x tends to a means x minus a tends to 0. So this is looking like exactly formula. This answer is 1. And next wherever x is there you have to put a. So a plus a. Answer is 2a, 1 by 2a. Next, show that limit x tends to 0 mod x by x does not exist. Means limit does not exist. We have to show that. Limit when will be exist? If LHL answer is equals to RHL, limit exists. So we have to show that here both are not equal. Limit x tends to 0 minus is LHL, 0 plus is RHL, right hand limit. So mod x by x, both the situation. Limit x tends to 0 minus means x less than 0. At x less than 0, mod x definition is minus x. So minus x by x, x gets cancelled. Answer minus 1. Whereas RHL, mod x definition is plus x. So limit x tends to 0, x by x, x gets cancelled, what left are 1. So minus 1 is not equal to plus 1 now. So both are not equal, limit does not exist. Limit x tends to 0, sin ax by sin bx. So to get the formula, again I need by x na. So for numerator and denominator, divided by x. Numerator looking like sin nx by x answer. Answer is n, means a. Denominator also looking like sin nx by x, answer is n. N in the place b. So the final answer a by b. Find limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x cos x. So to get the formula, sin nx by x answer is 1. So I need by x only. And remaining I don't want, separate you write 1 by cos x. Limit x tends to 0, sin nx by x answer is n. Instead of n, a. 1 by cos x in the place 0. Cos 0. So cos 0 value how much? 1. So a into 1 answer is a. Next, limit x tends to 1, log x by x minus 1. So here, logarithm formula 1 plus x by y, 1 plus x by x should be. So denominator I am taking totally y. So as x tends to 1, as x tends to 1, y tends to what? 1 minus 1, 0. So then the question is everything changes to y variable. So y x tends to 1 means y tends to 0. Log x in the place what ma? 1 plus y. And denominator totally I have taken y na. So now it is looking like exactly formula. Answer is 1. Find limit x tends to 0, x e power x minus 1 by 1 minus cos x. So denominator looking like 1 minus cos theta. Formula 2 sin square theta by 2. So how much angle is there in that half? So x in the half, x by 2. Numerator as it is. For the sign, I need x square na. Because square is there. So I need denominator x square. So divided by x square to the numerator to the denominator. In the numerator 1x gets cancelled. So by 2 is there, we have to write in front 1 by 2. Limit for numerator, limit for denominator. Denominator x by 2 means 1 by 2 x we can write a whole square. So now numerator looking like e power x minus 1 by x answer is 1. Sin nx by x answer is n. N in the place 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 ka square. So 1 by 2 as it is 1 by 4. So what will be denominator of denominator will goes to numerator na? It will be 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel. Answer 2. Important VSQ. Students will get confusion. Limit x tends to 0, e power x minus sin x minus 1 by x. We have the formula e power x minus 1 only. So e power x minus 1 I am taking in front, and extra is what? Minus sin x. That I am writing separately. And you just see denominator we have to write for both, because in between minus is there. If it into is there means either e power or sin we have to take. In addition subtraction both we have to take. So this answer is formula 1. Sin nx by x answer is n na. N in the place 1 na. So 1 minus 1 answer is 0. Limit x tends to infinity again given. So infinity came means we have to take a higher degree common. Numerator x square common. Denominator x square is common. In MSET a shortcut answer is what? Same degree means numerator coefficient 1, denominator coefficient is 2. Answer is 1 by 2 we can write for MSET, but IP we should write briefly. So we have to take x square common. Take x square common 1 plus 5 as it is. From the x I have taken x square na. One more x is missing na. So by x we have to write. No more x here na. So by 2x square we have to write. The same thing, x square taken 2 as it is. 1 is missing na. So 5 by x. 2 terms is missing na. So x square gets cancelled. Wherever 1 by x is there you have to put 0. So here 1 plus 5 into 0. 2 into 0. 2 as it is. Minus 5 into 1 by x means 0. 1 by x square means 0 square. So 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0. So answer numerator 1, denominator 2, 1 by 2. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, x square sine 1 by x. Important problem ma. Here students will write blindly, but steps are like this should be. We know that sine of any degrees start from -1 to +1. So that -1 less than or equals sine of 1 by x less than or equals to 1. Instead of theta I am taking 1 by x because question is given as 1 by x. For the sine, extra part is what? X square is there. So I need into x square multiply the whole inequality by x square. X square into -1 minus x square. X square sine 1 by x. X square into 1 simply x square. For this I need limit now. So apply the inequality limit. So limit x tends to 0 minus x square less than or equal limit x tends to 0 x square sine 1 by x less than or equals to limit x tends to 0 x square. So wherever x is there you have to put 0. So 0 square answer is 0, minus 0 means simply 0. For this we should not apply the limit ma, and for this limit x tends to 0, 0 square na. So 0 square answer is 0. So we have a sandwich theorem, means any inequality lies between less than and greater than same means the value of the function is that number. So 0 to 0. What numbers are there? Nothing na. So this answer is only simply 0. Compute limit x tends to 3 x square minus 8x plus 15 by x square minus 9. So whenever quadratic equation is coming, we have to do factorization. So x square minus 8x plus 15 means 15 factors are what? 3 5s are 15 na. 3 and 5 addition is 8 will come. So that we can write as minus 8x, we can write as x square minus 3x minus 5x plus 15. We can take x table common, we can take 5 table common, x minus 3 left over, minus 5 common, x minus 3 left over. Again x minus 3 common, what left over? X minus 5. Directly we can write, or step by step also we can write. So numerator we can write as x minus 3 into x minus 5. And the denominator you see 9. 9 we can write as 3 square. Means denominator looking like a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So here x minus 3 gets cancelled. So wherever x tends to 3 means wherever x is there you have to put 3. 3 minus 5 by 3 plus 3. So minus 2 by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are cancelled. Answer minus 1 by 3. Compute limit x tends to 0 sine of pi cos square x by x square. Important question ma. Rarely they will give like 7 to 8 years they will repeat. So sine as it is, pi as it is. Cos square we can write as 1 minus sine square, and denominator as it is. Multiply with pi table. Pi into 1 pi sine square. Pi means 180 degrees na. Sine of 180 minus theta, if you think, sine of 180 minus theta is what? Sine theta. So sine theta in the place what? Pi sine square by x square as it is. So to get the formula, sine theta by theta I should get na. So theta is what? Pi sine square na. So multiply and divided with pi sine square, pi sine square, and extra x square side by. Now this is separate and this is separate, and pi is constant we can write in front of the limit. So pi constant, limit x tends to 0 means pi sine square also 0 na, because sine 0 value 0, 0 into anything 0. And first part as it is. Next what? Limit x tends to 0 sine square x by x square is there. Simply I am writing whole square. Next it is looking like formula exactly. The answer is 1. This also answer is 1 square. So 1 into pi only. The last problem. Compute limit x tends to 3 x square plus 3x plus 2 by x square minus 6x plus 9. So here if you get 0 by 0 only, we have to do some simplification. You just observe here, numerator is everything positive. Positive means we cannot get 0 na. So first we will see wherever x is there, put 3. So 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus 2 by 3 square, 6 into 3 plus 9. So 3 square answer 9, 3 3 is a 9, 2 as it is, 3 square answer 9, 6 3 is a minus 18 plus 9. So numerator is 20, denominator is what? 9 plus 9, 18, 18 minus 18, 0. Anything by 0 is answer is infinity. Infinity also can be possible.